Hi, this is Jared Miller. I'm the class TA. I'm here purely to help you. So my strengths, obviously, I know PHP, I know CSS, I know HTML, I know the assignments. I guess that's good to know. My weaknesses is I started out as a web design major because I have a knack with art, but I learned through my college experience that I don't exactly enjoy it as much as programming. And that's when I took this course and I fell in love with programming and I switched to CIT. So I love everything I'm learning in this major and I know I'm in the right place. I'm originally from Louisville, Kentucky. I come from a large family and I was in the West. So coming up to Idaho for BYU Idaho, it was quite an adjustment. It can get quite cold out here, but it's not as bad as people think it is. Let's see. So I'm a TA for this class, mostly because I wanted the opportunity to practice what I had learned in the course. So I became a TA immediately after I took this course. And the big driving force is because I loved what I learned, but I didn't understand it enough to be able to apply it. And so I became a TA so that I could practice. And through this practice, I have learned so much. If you want to learn a language, like truly learn it, teach it to somebody else in detail and thoroughly. You learn so much. And you guys have such different perspectives and different things stand out to you. And I'm always amazed by some of the things I read or some of the things I hear or someone saying, oh, this is what this does. And I was like, oh, yeah, that does. So it's a learning process for me too. It's a very fun learning process. And this class can be very fun. It's if you don't look at it as an obligation. You learn so much and all these things can be really fun. My future goals as a web developer. So recently I had an opportunity to help an actual business for a friend. Their business had like 5 different applications, and these 5 different applications were collecting the same information, but the information would not carry from one application to another. And he asked me how long or what he would do, and I said, why don't you just make one application? And then I have had the opportunity to meet with his boss to talk about the information being gathered and how it should transfer over and where they want it to be and how it's going to be used. And it's just been a wonderful opportunity. So I guess my end goal is to have a remote government, but to be a consultant for existing businesses, a technology consultant. I'd love to organize their databases or even businesses that are in the process of being made, like people who have ideas and they just don't know how to implement it. So you can say, oh, so you're collecting this information, you need this table for this database. And yeah, that's kind of where I'm leaning towards in my future. Although I honestly love programming, and as long as I end up programming, I'm gonna be happy. My greatest strength, I know PHP, I know the course, I love the course, and I'm super enthusiastic about it. So if you're not so enthusiastic about it and you get really discouraged, I will be there to brighten up your tutoring session, I guess. I love helping you guys. I really do. Please reach out to me. And I shared my contact information. It's at DOD14005 @BYUI. Upon initial contact, just send me the times you're available, a couple of different ones so I have options. And then I'll just write back with one of those times. Something unique about me. I come from a large family, and I have a younger twin brother, and then I married a twin. So the running joke in the family is that I'm gonna have twins when I start my family eventually. And that covers it. I look forward to getting to know each of you. I will be participating in the discussion board and trying to contribute in my own way. But honestly, if you want some one-on-one help, please contact me. I know what I'm doing. All right. Bye.